Welcome to X5 Spades Box Breaks. This is box 4 of 11-12 Rookie Anthology. We've got our list of the buyers and the teams are all worked out in order. Okay, here we go. We've got 10 packs, 5 cards a pack, and 1 bonus pack. Contains 1 card, either autograph, memorabilia, some sort of specialness. We always open that first. Pull out some of those Luxury Suite bonus pack. Luxury Suite patch stick cards, which are pretty sweet. Box. Nah. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs. Make sure Panini doesn't short us. Not that that's ever happened, but you never know. Alright, and we got our 1 bonus pack. Okay, good luck everyone. This is a Luxury Suite. What is it? Who is it? And we have a major hit for the Boston Bruins. Ray Bork. Jersey stick card. I'm going to guess that's pretty awesome, which it is. So Boston, you got the first hit. Congratulations. Alright, here we go. Basically, we should get a hit in every pack. If not, Panini screwed us. Alright, here we go. We have a hit for the Nashville Predators. Calder Contenders, Jeremy Smith. Numbered 260 out of 999. He was on their playoff roster. AHL goalie. Thick card. Base and base. Bless you. Okay, base. Base. We have, this is cool. We have a hit for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Number 14, Brett Connolly. This is titanium private signings. Not numbered. That's a pretty good one. Dummy card. Base and base. Iggy. Base, base, base. We have a rookie rivalry for the Anaheim Ducks and the Los Angeles Kings, so there will be a random video for this too. Devontae Smith-Pelly and Slava Voinov. Cool looking card. Base and base. Okay, base, base. We have a hit for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Okay, don't want to kill his name. Pierre-Cedric Labrie. I've honestly never heard of him, but it's another hit for Tampa Bay. Base. Sorry, dummy card, base and base. Base, base. Hit for the Edmonton Oilers. Pinnacle rookie Colton Tubert. Dummy card. Base and base. This is a very thick pack. Alrighty. Base, 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 Oh. We have a hit for the Edmonton Oilers. Teemu Hartikainen. Numbered 79 of 499. Dual jersey autograph. Thought that was Nuge there for a minute. Kind of freaked out. Still a really cool card. That thing's like thicker than a brick. Face and base. Okay, so that's our rookie treasures for the box. Now we're going to get something else special. Magical, maybe? Base. Base. Hit for the Ottawa Senators. Mike Hoffman. Pinnacle. Woo. Dummy card. Base and base. This is another thick one. Base, 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 base. We have a Pinnacle starting 6 for the Los Angeles Kings. Andy Kopitar, Dustin Brown, Jack Johnson, Justin Williams, Drew Doughty, Jonathan Quick. That's absolutely beautiful. 6 patch jersey card for the Los Angeles Kings. J Ray 8806. That is the hit of the box. I can almost guarantee it. Unless if we get a, we got base, base, and base. Unless if we get some sort of crazy card in these last two. That was pretty crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Base, base. We have a hit for the Calgary Flames. Leland Irving. Great AHL goalkeeper. Not sure if he'll ever play NHL, but hey. Base and base. And the last pack. There should be an autograph in this pack. Base, base, maybe not. Hit for the Minnesota Wild. Warren Peters. Dummy card. Base and base. Alright, so one more time quickly through the hits. Peters for the Wild. Irving for the Flames. Starting 6 Kings. Stanley Cup champions. Hoffman for the Senators. Teemu Hartikainen. Colton Tubert. Larry. Smith Pelly and Voinov, which is going to be a random off. Private signings Connolly. Jeremy Smith. And then don't forget the Ray Bork jersey stick card. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We will have possibly a 5th box of Rookie Anthology. It is online right now for sale. And don't forget, we are also selling pre-orders of SP Authentic, which comes out July 12th. Any pre-orders now will be broken on the day of release. Alright, thanks everyone, and have a great day.